So we're in a crowded industry. Many waterproofing manufacturers, many people doing gas protection systems across the UK. A regular question I get asked is, so why Premcrete? Well, my simple response is, we have a lot of respect for the manufacturers in the marketplace. Everyone has great products, their systems are certified, and they've been used for many years. Whilst we do have some unique features about our products, I don't believe that's really what sets us apart as a company. What truly sets Premcrete apart is our hands-on technical support and design service. Contractors are looking for much support on projects at an early stage through design meetings, taking on design liability, but then following right through to the on-site experience. A typical day today, I am one of the directors here at Premcrete. We are hands-on. We've actually worked on site for many years, and we like to give that hands-on support to contractors. That's what it's really about. What a contractor really cares about is the experience they have once on site. It's all very well getting the design okay, acceptable, passed prior to the on-site period. But once the project goes live, that's when the real proof of a company comes out. And we do believe that we carry some unique benefits to companies, not just in our technical expertise, but our online QC systems. Premtrack is the market-leading app-based portal for QC. One of the simple things that we implement and run for all projects. Just a quick snapshot of a few key things that we offer to the industry.